How to fix Temu app crashing on launch. Let's get started. For that, first of all, force close your Temu application and then reopen it again. After that, restart your phone. This clears temporary bug that may be causing the crash. After that, you can simply open up the App Store and then search for Temu and check for updates. Once that's done, if you are on your iPhone, you need to go ahead and simply reinstall the application. If you are on Android, clear the app cache. And also make sure your phone has enough storage since low storage can cause apps to crash unexpectedly. After that, open up Settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on VPN and Device Management, and just like that, disable any VPN temporarily and then try opening Temu again. If the app still crashes, you can simply contact Temu support or wait for a little while for a server fix. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.